ColorWhite. BrandHomedics. Item Dimensions LxWxH2.2 2 by 2.4 inches. 6 soothing sounds. Choose between 6 relaxing and calming sounds such as Brook, ocean, white noise, soothing flute, ASMR tapping, and thunderstorm. The room-filling sound fills your personal space to help evoke a restful night's sleep. Color-changing night light. Alternate between the 7 ambient colors with the glowing night light. Light can be used with or without the sound options. Easy to operate. Programmable auto off at 30, 60 and 90-minute intervals so you can sleep easy. User-friendly controls make operation simple for fuss-free enjoyment. Rechargeable portable. Relax for up to 12 consecutive hours per charge and recharge with the included micro USB cable for ultimate portability. Perfect for the nursery, home office, bedroom, spa, while traveling, and more. What's in the box? 1. Homedics Soundspa Traveler White Noise Sound Machine. 1. Quick Start Guide. 1. 1-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Big for its size. For something this small it's like a doxy. It thinks it's a monster. Does exactly what you'd want it to do in a very portable size.